NRIs now have to pay zero tax on a 2 crore mutual fund, whereas Indians have to pay 25 lakhs. You know, the secret behind this is DTAA, Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, which will actually make you move out of India and invest more and more in mutual funds. Singapore-based NRI challenged paying tax on her 1.35 crores mutual fund gains and won a tax exemption. Because of a DTAA agreement between India and Singapore, she had to pay tax on this in Singapore, her tax domicile, and not in India. But Singapore does not tax capital gains, so her tax liability eventually became zero. So there are three conditions that need to be met for this. So the first condition is that you must live outside India for 182 days to qualify as an NRI. Second, this is only applicable for mutual funds and not for stocks. Third, the most important, your residing country must have a DTA with India and zero capital gain taxes. A resident individual will end up paying 25 lakh rupees of taxes on a 2 crore mutual fund gains. But a great advantage for all the NRIs. If your domicile country does not have capital gain taxes, then you will have to pay zero tax on all the mutual fund gains.